Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to check a credit score in the RBC Bank mobile app or even in the PC. The same thing, you just first log in, okay, with your username and password. And then what I want you to do is come in the right hand panel under My Services. You should actually see this one right here, View Your Credit Score. So just go ahead and click on it. And then you'll be on your credit view dashboard where you can see your different, credit scores. So you'll see TransUnion, and if you click here on a credit report, right, you'll be able to see your TransUnion credit score. You can see the different score factors. Just give it a while to actually load up. And these are the different score factors that impact your score, as you can see. And what you can also do is see your score history, the way it is fluctuating. You can even go ahead and use a score simulator on what you would do. If you add a credit card, you add a loan, you lower the balances, raise the balances on your cards. Just come here, and once you put on all of the information, you can easily simulate using those parameters as well. But otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.